In this video, I will show how to write this delta symbol in Excel. Click on Insert, then Equation. Write here slash and type delta. Then press spacebar one time. So this is the method, and this way you can write any type of symbol like gamma or delta. Alpha, slash, and write your symbol name. You will find names and their shortcut once you click on this Insert and Equation. So in this symbols section, you will find this all popular symbol, and once you hover on any symbol, so you will see their shortcut. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.